Hello, Xplorer viewers. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the new Oppo Find X8 Mini. Oppo has consistently pushed the boundaries in smartphone design, and with the Find X8 Mini, they're aiming to bring premium features in a compact form factor. So, what exactly makes this compact device stand out? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. From its sleek design and stunning display to its camera prowess and impressive performance. Starting with the design, the Oppo Find X8 Mini is crafted with elegance in mind. It has a sleek, glass back with a polished finish, making it both durable and luxurious to hold. This phone is compact, measuring in at around 5.8 inches, fitting comfortably in one hand and giving users the ease of a small device without compromising on quality. Oppo has released this model in three eye-catching colors: moonlight silver, midnight black, and a gorgeous emerald green. The slim profile and the premium materials make it a great choice for those who prioritize style without compromising functionality. Now let's talk about the display. The Find X8 Mini sports a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It's compact yet powerful, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive clarity. The 2400x1080 resolution ensures sharp visuals, making this display perfect for media consumption and gaming alike. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, the Find X8 Mini performs well even under direct sunlight. Plus, it supports HDR10+, providing users with a richer viewing experience in supported apps and streaming services. Under the hood, the Find X8 Mini is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset. Built on a 6nm process, this processor offers a blend of power efficiency and speed, making it perfect for handling everyday tasks and even some more demanding applications. This model comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and videos. And, with Oppo's ColorOS 13 running on top of Android 13, you're looking at a fluid and optimized software experience with customizable features and productivity tools. Gaming on the Find X8 Mini is a surprisingly good experience for a compact phone. Equipped with the Adreno 642L GPU, it handles graphically intensive games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty with ease. With the 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch sampling rate, gamers will appreciate the responsiveness and smoothness. And thanks to Oppo's Game Space mode, users can optimize system resources, block notifications, and enhance gaming performance without distractions. It's clear Oppo has paid attention to mobile gamers with this model. Onto the camera, where the Find X8 Mini surprises us with its capabilities. It's equipped with a 50MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultrawide sensor. The main sensor captures stunning detail and accurate colors, performing well in both good and low light conditions. The ultrawide lens is ideal for landscape shots and group photos, adding flexibility to your photography. In portrait mode, the dual-lens system creates a natural bokeh effect, giving you studio-quality photos right from your phone. And for selfies, you've got a 16MP front-facing camera. It comes with Oppo's AI beautification and HDR capabilities to ensure your selfies look great, regardless of lighting conditions. The Find X8 Mini packs a 4200 mAh battery, quite impressive for its size. It's more than enough to get through a full day with moderate use. And when you're low on battery, Oppo has equipped this device with 33W Super VOC fast charging. With this charging technology, you can go from 0 to 50% in just about 25 minutes, so you won't be stuck waiting around for a full charge. It's a great feature for people on the go. The Oppo Find X8 Mini runs on ColorOS 13 based on Android 13. ColorOS brings a range of productivity tools, including split screen, floating windows, and a smart sidebar for quick access to apps. Oppo has also improved privacy features with this OS version, including a privacy dashboard and app permissions control. In terms of security, the X8 Mini comes with both an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Both options are fast and reliable, providing you with flexibility in securing your device. In terms of connectivity, the Find X8 Mini supports 5G Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you're getting high-speed internet and stable connections. And with dual stereo speakers, the audio quality is surprisingly good for a smaller device. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or gaming, you'll appreciate the rich, immersive sound. And, of course, it has NFC support for contactless payments and pairing with other devices. It's a versatile device that covers all your connectivity needs. Oppo has priced the Find X8 Mini competitively, aiming at the mid-range market. With the build quality, display, and performance it offers, it's positioned as a serious contender among other compact smartphones in this range. The phone is available now in select markets, with global availability expected soon. Whether you're a fan of compact phones or just want something powerful that fits comfortably in your hand, the Find X8 Mini is worth considering. So, is the Oppo Find X8 Mini worth it? If you're in the market for a compact phone that doesn't skimp on features, the Find X8 Mini is a compelling option. From its bright, smooth AMOLED display and Snapdragon-powered performance to its versatile camera and fast-charging capabilities, this phone delivers a premium experience in a small package. It's a fantastic choice for those who want a reliable device without the bulk of a larger phone. Let us know your thoughts on the Oppo Find X8 Mini in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more in-depth tech reviews.